Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you the updated way to make your Twitter account private. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now, first and foremost, now you need to head over to your Twitter or X app, whichever of them you refer to. So now tap on your profile icon. Okay, then tap on settings and support, then tap on settings and privacy below it. So now you need to select privacy and safety. Then on privacy and safety, now you need to select audience and tagging. Then on audience and tagging, now you need to check turn on this protect your post, only current followers and people you approve in future will be able to see your post. Okay, now turn it on. Okay, so guys, as easy as this, you have made your Twitter account private. Okay, that's the updated way to do so. If you want to turn it off, just switch this off. Okay, so guys, that's how to make the updated way to make your Twitter account private. Before I conclude, I will once again appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe. Peace.